Your extra special. Somebody loves you.
Are you excited, Victoria? Yes? Are you going to have an Easter hunt? Woo-woo! Oh, got out a sunflower seed. Oh, got out a pine nut? Goodness, it had boom. Did Puffy get them all? I don't think he got that one. Try it. Did you get that one too? Too slow, baby. Too slow. Is there one in here? No? Oh, there's something in here. Can we help you? Can you help? Gonna take it away from Puffy so he doesn't take it from you. Did you find another one? Good job, Puffy. We're having a little sunflower Easter here. What do you think, Tommy? Is that little ducky okay with you? Off and shoot. Should we press the button?
Here comes the Easter bunny. Your extra special. Somebody loves you.
I love you. Yes, it's good, huh, Tommy?